The November 2020 calendar is out, and after a few months of decent promos, LEGO has pretty much slammed the brakes. Beginning on the 1st, any purchase of $100 or more will net you this Han Solo carbonite metal keychain. Not sure how this will go over with non-Star Wars fans, and keychains aren't typically at the top of the list for LEGO collectors. This month's VIP sweepstakes, which begins on the 9th, is the limited edition LEGO Store Lester minifigure. Cost is 50 points per entry. On the 17th, LEGO is planning a Star Wars holiday special streaming on Disney+. Set after the events of Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker, the special continues the partnership between Lucasfilm and LEGO of making playful, tongue-in-cheek animated versions of Star Wars stories using LEGO figures and blocks. The 45-minute special will follow Rey as her further investigation of the Force launches her in BB-8 across the history of the Skywalker saga, as Finn, Poe, Rose, and Chewbacca prepare for the Star Wars Holiday Life Day on Chewie's home planet of Kashyyyk. As per usual, LEGO is tight-lipped on its Black Friday promo and sales, but keep your fingers crossed that it might be the seasonal Charles Dickens tribute, as there is typically a Christmas promo released this time of year. Who can forget the Christmas tree from last year, the Christmas gift box from 2018, and the 24-in-1 holiday countdown set from 2017. The Batwing is prominently displayed on the front of the calendar, and I'm surprised Sesame Street isn't profiled or the rumored Roman Colosseum. Guess we'll just have to stay tuned. In the meantime, happy building everyone, and happy LEGO shopping!